Ki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkol Sangma hak nyu trik naitung arja apulai lo pli patba ya ke Jaka Kieng Lieng hak wa ke badan hak stong Umtham ya ke balatip ru kong ku White Water Village na ke bentaban kentiu ya ke ni ke jajing le akai pat kham tam ban sei ya ke sap ke phong jong ginong nya Lieng hak ni ke Jela hak ni ke si la sakhilang na ke MDC jo Umsling ke kong Magdalene Maulong ke director jong ke Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs kong Isawanda Lalu Deputy Commissioner jong ke Ribhoi District u Arpit Upadhyaya District Sports Officer jong Ribhoi District uba Bobby L Nombet inayalam jong Ribhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited bagan thup yu Yan Vincent bat ke Sheila Vincent bat kiwi
The first person in Meghalaya to introduce whitewater sports was Mr. Zoba Lalu. I don't know, where is Zoba? There he is. Zoba is the pioneer of the whitewater sports in Meghalaya, and we came through our contacts with him, and we came here in 2015 to this site, and we started training the local youth in kayaking. We've done that as a family venture, not with any support or anything, just as our family. We provided kayaks and equipment and gear and training for free to any local boys and girls who wanted to do it. And we formed this water sports cooperative society in February 2022. And this April, the Canoe Association was formed. So everything is just in the infant stages right now. So for the first 7 years, this project was our family project, but then the society was formed and now it's a community project. It's handed over to the community. And so these last 7 years we've been raising support for these local youth, and we've sent them away to festivals, kayak festivals in Karnataka, in Kerala, Uttarakhand, and for some of them it was their first time out of Meghalaya. We've taken them around. Also we've sent rafting teams to Arunachal, Uttarakhand. Also rafting as well teams to represent this state. So we've been holding this mega kayak fest here. 5 editions have been held in October. It started in October 2016 was the first one, and it's been every year except during the pandemic years it was closed. But this mega kayak fest started as a small privately run festival with just through friends, just through contacts on social media, and now it's become the major kayaking event in India and probably in Asia.
It's a beautiful day in a beautiful weather and beautiful activity that is going around here. So I will resist from giving a very long speech, but I just want to tell you that I did not know about the existence of this kind of activity till about last year, about 2 years back. And last 2 years back, after our sports commissioner secretary had made a couple of visits, after the team that was under him had made few visits, we were made to aware of the different kind of activities that was happening out here. And at this point in time, I must recognize the efforts that have been made by Yan Vincent and by Sheila and all the other team members who have faced all different kind of challenges and yet continue to do what they are doing and to finally see that the efforts put in are giving this kind of an output must be giving them a sense of some satisfaction today. And hence I congratulate them. I thank them for all the work that they're doing, and I also want to assure them that as a government we believe that people who have passion in them to do something that they are very much passionate about and believe in, and they put their heart and soul into it, well, government wants to support people like them, people who are willing to go that extra mile. And the least the government can do is support these kind of activities and these kind of people who are doing more than what is expected in one way. And therefore, I assure you, Mr. Lieng and Sheila and all the other team members, especially our young sports persons and enthusiasts who are today really getting this opportunity to really enjoy, be part of the sport, and which is not just a sport, but as was mentioned, it has got a huge potential for the state to really get a medal at the national as well as international level. You must be aware that government of Meghalaya has been scientifically working on ensuring that we produce good sports persons in the years to come. In the previous years, we used to depend on what the children are doing, and if somebody starts running fast, then we used to pick them up. If somebody starts getting a medal, we used to send them to the national games and the different games in different parts of the country. Today, we are going to the villages and we are screening the children to find out even before they know the kind of skills that they have. So a scientific approach is today being done in the sports department, and we have selected out of 15,000 children who have been screened, we have selected 200 super athletes, and we have selected about 12 of them who are outstanding is what I'm told. And they even have a potential to be able to win medals at international events. And hence I expect that in the coming years, with investments like these, with the kind of training that we're giving, with the kind of approach that this government is having, I'm confident that the sports sector is going to be and give us a huge opportunity for the students and the youth of our state. And let me assure you, the problems that you are facing out here, we will try our best to resolve them at the earliest. I understand that you have a problem of connectivity. We will work towards it. I have spoken to Deputy Commissioner. He has asked me that I might have to take it up at my level. So I assure you that I will take it up at my level and hope that we'll be able to get the connectivity soon. In terms of all the support for creating the infrastructures, we will give the infrastructures to you, but in the meantime, wherever the infrastructure is there, we will give you the necessary support to ensure that you can make it better than what it was. And in the time to come, as I said, because it cannot be constructed in a day, it may take months to really get the setup going, but I can assure you that we will invest from our side in this. I can clearly see the kind of potential that we have out here, the kind of opportunity, not just for the youngsters who are really enjoying this, and I'm sure will shine at the national and international level, but it is also going to be a great opportunity for tourism, as was mentioned. So I really look forward that we'll be able to develop this as a very good tourism circuit, and we'll be able to really give a great experience to the tourists coming from all over the world out here. Of course, we have huge challenges when it comes to environmental and forest degradation. We need the support of the community in this, and so I hope that the Rangbashnong is here and others are here, along with the other headmen of the local localities and the villages around, along with our MDCs and other leaders. I hope that we'll be able to take concrete steps and decisions to ensure that we are able to preserve the pristine water as well as the river, the forest that we have. And it can only be done, as I said, if the community is together. So I hope the association also will play an active role in creating awareness about the necessity for maintaining the forest covers and ensuring that we preserve them. So I think
好。